Chapter 11, Food for Plants. In the chapter 10, we taught about that we need food for our health. As we need food, like that, also plant needs food. Plants also are living things. Okay? Plants also need water, air, and food for their also it reproduction for that become tall or grow. We also need food for grow tall and become strong and feel to become healthy. So there is only one difference between plants and human beings. They both are living organisms, but there is one difference. Plant can produce its own food, whereas human being does not produce their food. They have to depend on the plants. Okay, can human being make their food? No. We have to take it from plants or animals, like vegetables we get, or milk or meat or fish, like many things. Okay, all things we are getting from plants or animals. We can't make our food, while plants make their food by its own with the process of photosynthesis. So we'll see what is photosynthesis. See, plants prepare their own food by a process called photosynthesis. As you can in the picture, in the presence of sunlight, water and minerals, carbon dioxide from the environment, leaves are the plant's kitchen. Okay, what they do in the presence of sunlight, the leaves of the plants, it takes carbon dioxide and it releases oxygen, and with the help of water and sunlight and minerals it makes its food, that is glucose. जो लीव्स है वो सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में अपना फूड बनाता है. ओके, दैट्स वाई लीव्स आर नोन एज प्लांट्स किचन. सी, who is making food for the plants? Leaves. Who is making leaves? और उसमें कौन उसकी हेल्प करता है? With the help of sunlight, water, air and also जो सॉइल में से रूट्स ने एब्जॉर्ब किए हैं मिनरल्स और वाटर, वो रूट्स के पास से कहाँ आता है? स्टेम. स्टेम किसको देता है? लीव्स को. और लीव्स जब सनलाइट होती है तो अपना फूड प्रिपेयर करता है. ऑल्सो जो ग्रीन कलर के पिगमेंट्स है लीव्स में, लीव्स ग्रीन कलर का होता है ना, वाई? बिकॉज इट कंटेन ग्रीन पिगमेंट्स, दैट इज नोन एज क्लोरोफिल. तो वो क्लोरोफिल भी हेल्प करता है लीव्स को अपना फूड बनाने के लिए. दैट इज वाई लीव्स इज नोन एज किचन ऑफ द प्लांट्स किचन. ओके, देन लीव्स जो फूड बनाता है वो अगेन सबको देता है with the help of veins. Also the plant has vein, that is known as xylem and phloem. Okay, that is only for your knowledge I am telling. So फिर वहाँ से लीव्स अपना फूड बना के अलग अलग पार्ट को ब्रांच में देता है, स्टेम को देता है, फ्रूट्स को देता है, फ्लावर्स को देता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ग्रीन पिगमेंट? क्लोरोफिल. The stem carries water to the leaves from the roots. Okay, chlorophyll present in the leaves uses sunlight for energy and changes the water and carbon dioxide in the air into sugar. What is the name of the food made by the leaves? Glucose. Okay, in the simple word, sugar we can say. Oxygen is given out in the process. As we know that it takes carbon dioxide and release oxygen, so air becomes fresh. What food does a plant produce? At first, plant produce glucose, a sugar which changes into starch and is stored in various parts of plants. Starch is a type of carbohydrate which gives energy to plants. See, we also learn about the different nutrients, carbohydrates and proteins and fats. Okay, so जो carbohydrates होता है, it contains starch. Did you saw the that potato? ओके, जो पोटैटो के अंदर वाइट सब्सटेंस है दैट इज स्टार्च. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. तो लाइक दिस जो ग्लूकोज होता है जब वो फूड बनाता है तो उसको चाहिए उतना यूज़ करता है, देन इट स्टोर. फिर वो लीव्स है वो स्टोर करता है, तो वो स्टोर करता है तो स्टार्च का फॉर्म होता है. विच फॉर्म? स्टार्च. ओके, जो हमें पोटैटो में देखने मिलता है। पोटैटो में वो स्टार्च कहाँ से आया, क्योंकि उसको लीव्स ने बना के दिया था, लाइक दैट। ओके, सो फिर वो स्टार्च है वो स्टोर होता है, एंड दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द फूड प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द लीव्स। ओके, plants also breathe like all living things. During daytime they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. Leaves of a plant have very small pores called stomata. Through these pores they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. During daytime, okay, during the daytime, during photosynthesis, that is during respiration, plant releases both oxygen and carbon dioxide, but the amount of carbon dioxide less than the amount of oxygen released by them. At night there is no sunlight and photosynthesis does not take place, so plants release only carbon dioxide. Sometimes farmers add manure to the soil. This manure provides nutrient to the soil which the plant can absorb and use to produce food. Now see what they are telling to us. Photosynthesis, during photosynthesis क्या होता है, plants takes carbon dioxide or release oxygen, and respiration, as we are breathing, हम भी सांस लेते हैं, we breathe. So ब्रीथ में हम क्या करते हैं, वी आर टेकिंग ऑक्सीजन एंड रिलीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। तो प्लांट भी ब्रीथ करता है, ओके, इट ऑल्सो रेस्पियर, तो उसमें वो भी ऑक्सीजन लेता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करता है। लेकिन ड्यूरिंग द सनलाइट, जब तक डे है, सनलाइट है, तब तक मोस्टली कौन सा प्रोसेस होता है, फोटोसिंथेसिस। ओके, रेस्पिरेशन होता है लेकिन वेरी लेस अमाउंट। और नाइट को जब देयर इज नो